Dear friends, welcome to Ajis Academy. Today we are going to discuss about TRB model questions. Part 5. Question number 41. Let f of z be an analytic function and satisfies modulus f of z minus 1 less than 1 in a region. Then, for any closed curve gamma in the region, then integral over gamma f dash of z by f of z dz is. Here the question is integral over gamma f dash of z by f of z dz in the particular region. Answer is 0. The explanation of the answer is, since the given function f dash of z by f of z can be expressed as differentiation of f of z by f of z, and therefore the integral of f dash of z by f of z is integral d of f of z by f of z, that is log z. And since the integral of the derivative of an analytic function over a closed curve is 0, and therefore the answer is 0. In short, we can say this question as, suppose the given integral can be written as integral of derivative of some analytic function over a closed curve, then the answer must be 0. Question number 42. Let f of z be an analytic and non-constant function in a region, then modulus f of z. Modulus f of z has no maximum in that region. So the answer is modulus f of z has no maximum in the region. Question number 43 from complex analysis. For the function f of z is equal to sine of z square divided by z square into z minus a, where a not equal to 0, what are the singularities? So it is an easy question. Clearly, the singularities of the given function f of z is at z equal to 0 and z is equal to a. The singularities of a function f of z is same as the zeros of the denominator, and therefore here when z is 0 and z is equal to a, the singularities of the given function. Question number 44. Let f of z is equal to 1 by sin hz be meromorphic in the complex plane. The limit point of the pole of this function. So here the question is the limit point of the pole of the given function. Answer is, the poles of f of z occur when sin hz equal to 0. Sin hz equal to 0 implies e power z minus z by 2 equal to 0. That implies e power z minus z equal to 0. That implies e power z is equal to e power minus z, that is e power z into e power z equal to 1. That means e power 2z equal to 1 implies 2z is equal to 2 pi I k, where k belongs to z, set of all integers. And therefore z is equal to pi I k belongs to z, that is z equal to 0 plus or minus pi I plus or minus 2 pi I, etc. Thus, the set of poles is set of all pi I k such that k belongs to z. Thus, the limit points of the given set are at infinity. So, the answer is infinity. Question number 45 from complex. This is a repetition question. Let f of z be analytic and bounded in the whole plane, then f of z must be. Answer is a constant by Leverly's theorem. So this is a very repeated and important question. So students, all of you learn this theorem. Question number 46 from statistics. Let A and B be independent events, then probability of A by B equal to. So this is a result related to conditional probability. So the answer is P of A. Whenever A and B are independent events, then the probability of A by B is P of A. That is probability of A. Question number 47. The expected value of number of points that will be obtained with a single throw in an ordinary die is. Here the answer is 7 by 2. The explanation of this answer is given below. When rolling a standard 6-sided die, the possible outcomes are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Each outcome has an equal probability of 1 by 6. The expected value is 1 into 1 by 6 plus 2 into 1 by 6 plus 3 into 1 by 6 plus etc. plus 6 into 1 by 6. Here we can multiply each die face. That is, we know that the faces of each die is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and the probability of each outcome is 1 by 6 and therefore the expected value is 1 into 1 by 6 plus etc. plus 6 into 1 by 6. After we simplifying, we will get the answer is 7 by 2, that is equal to 3.5. So, the expected value of number of points that will be obtained with a single throw in an ordinary die is, the answer is 7 by 2 or 3.5. Question number 48 is a simple result of statistics. The covariance of two independent variables is 0. Covariance of two independent variables is 0. Question number 49, the same from probability. Let f of x be a probability function, then answer. Actually, the answer is related to the variation of f of x. So, we know clearly that the probability function f of x always greater than or equal to 0 for all x lie between minus infinity and infinity. Question number 50. If x and y are independent variables, then the answer is x and y are uncorrelated. X and y are independent, then x and y are uncorrelated. Question number 51 from Pascal's distribution. P of x is equal to minus k cx p power k into minus q power x k. X is equal to 0, 1, 2, etc. becomes a negative binomial distribution if the condition of k. So, and the answer is k is always greater than or equal to 0 and k need not be an integer. Question number 52. Variance of the multinomial distribution is, this is also a result. The answer of question number 52 is n into pi into 1 minus pi. Number 53. Question number 53 from algebra. It is a simple question related to symmetry group. Let S3 be the symmetry group on 3 symbols. Then order of S3 is. We all know order of S3 is 3 factorial. So answer is 6. Question number 54. Let G be a group of order 11 square into 13 square. Then the number of 11 Sylow subgroups is. So the answer is 1. It is a important thing in algebra. So suppose G is a group of order 11 square into 13 square. Then the number of 11 Sylow subgroups is answer 1. Question number 55. Let Jn be the ring of integers mod p. Then Jn is a field only when n is a prime number. Answer is n is a prime number. Question number 56. If A and B are finite dimensional subspaces of a vector space V and A intersection B not equal to empty, then dimension of A plus B is. So it's a very easy question. The answer is dimension of A plus B is dimension of A plus dimension of B minus dimension of A intersection B. Question number 57. Let V be the set of real functions y equal to f of x satisfying d square y by dx square plus 9y equal to 0. Then the dimension of the real vector space capital V is. The answer is 2. A short explanation of this question is, first we write the auxiliary equation of the given second order linear differential equation. So auxiliary equation is m square plus 9 equal to 0 and therefore m is equal to plus or minus I3. So its general solution is y equal to c1 cos 3x plus c2 sin 3x. Clearly the given equation has two linearly independent solutions. They are cos 3x and c1 cos 3x and c2 sin 3x. Clearly these two are linearly independent, and therefore the answer is, the dimension of the real vector space V is 2. Question number 58 is a repeated question. Let Q be the field of rational numbers, then the degree of the algebraic element root 2 plus cubic root of 5 over Q is. The answer is 6. Question number 59. Integration minus pi to pi sine square nx dx for n equal to 1 to etc. is. The answer is pi. So the explanation is given below. Consider the integration, and by trigonometry formula of sine square nx is 1 minus cos 2 nx by 2, and we split the integrals into 2 and we integrate. Before that, integral cos 2 nx dx over minus pi to pi. Since cos 2 nx is an even function, and therefore we have one property that integral minus pi to pi cos 2 nx dx is 2 times integral 0 to pi cos 2 nx dx. So integration of cos is sine, and when we applying the limits and simplify, we will get the answer is pi. So easy calculation. If you have any doubt, try to comment this. Okay. Question number 60. For f belongs to L square of minus pi comma pi, if the Fourier coefficients ak, k equal to 0, 1 to etc. and bk, k equal to 1 to etc. are all 0, then actually the value of f. Here ak, bk are all 0, and therefore what is the answer of f? Here 4 options are given below. The answer is f equal to 0, option A. So dear students, today class is helpful to you. I hope all the part 1 to part 5 of TRB model questions and answers are useful to the preparation of PGTRB. If you have any queries related to this, try to comment. Thank you. Thanks for watching.